why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel.
Okay. So you want Joker. How are we gonna do Joker in 5 minutes? I have no idea, but we are going to try. That's okay, actually. I'm gonna go with that. Green Borowskis. Think that would do. Now we are going to do the liner. Oh, people were pressed about my creases. Okay. I think that's okay. He's messy anyway. Dirty. Okay, one lash. If my boyfriend doesn't shut up. Okay. That is nice. This is not really jokery right now, but we are gonna get there. Don't you worry. Has a J here, right? Right, and then the ha 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 ha. I'm so annoying, God. Okay, I think that's enough. And then we have the hair. She is Greensky. This is gonna look nasty. Okay. Let your hair down, let your hair... Why do I have a white thing on my lash? God. I don't think it has to go all the way down, right? It doesn't. He's got a little e-boy girl, e-boy person look going on. So we're gonna do that. Oh, Joker would be really good on TikTok. Bad boy. I don't have the lenses, which is really depressing, but I do have the grill. Outfit change. Ooh. Okay. Let's finish this thing off. We're happy. Okay, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot about the lights. No, 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 no.